Hello guys, you're welcome to my channel, Ghaneva Edge channel. Today's episode is about mini importation. This channel is about personal development, business tips, especially in mini importation, lifestyle, and everything you need to level up. So if it's your first time watching a video on this channel, you are really welcome, and my old subscribers, you are welcome to my channel once again. Today episode, as I said earlier, we are going to talk about mini importation. So today we are going to talk about how to verify your Alipay account. I uploaded recent video on how to get your things you order on 1688, and I talk about three important things. That's getting your 1688 app, getting your Alipay account linked to your 1688 app so that you can use it to pay on the app, and the third one is your shipping address as well. And I just got a comment under one of my videos. This video, someone was asking me how she can get shipping addresses or verify Alipay account to pay suppliers on the app. So I just decided to make video on that topic as well, so that it will help someone actually, and I know you click this video because you also need it as well. So let's get into how you can verify your Alipay accounts, and we'll be right back. So we are going to learn how to verify our Alipay with our passport. Okay, how we are going to verify our Alipay with our passport. So someone would ask, why do we have to verify our Alipay with our passport? We already have the account. What's the need of verifying our Alipay? Okay, so this is the answer. Let me explain everything. So if your Alipay account is not verified with your passport, you cannot pay suppliers on your own. Okay, an agent will pay the suppliers for you, and if you are being verified too, you can pay, and there is no difference between that. Okay, because if you can pay, the same agent will load up your wallet on Alipay for you to pay your suppliers on your own. Okay, but if your account is not verified, then the agent will directly pay your suppliers for you. I hope you get this. Okay, so we are going to learn how to verify our Alipay account so that we can pay our suppliers when we get our RMB. Okay, when we get our RMB, how we are going to pay, we need to be verified before. So let's get straight into it. You go to me the account. Okay, when you get to your account, you click on, so we go to settings. That's here. Then we go to account and security. Then you come to identity information. So if you haven't verified your account with a passport, you won't see verified here. As you can see, mine verified. So you need a passport to verify your account so you can pay your suppliers on the app. Thus, you can pay directly. That's a direct method of paying. Okay, so if you don't have a verified account, you use the indirect method of what? Paying or buying. Good. So now when you click here, because I've already uploaded mine and been verified, you see the information being there. Okay, but if you haven't been verified, you are not going to see the same thing. Okay, so I will send you screenshots of how it will appear if you are not verified. And you can also use someone's passport to be verified. Okay, you can also use someone's passport to be verified. And if you are using someone's passport to verify, you need the person to be by your side whilst doing it, because in the process of verifying, in a stage you get to a stage where you need that person to scan his or her face for you to proceed to the verification. And if the person is not around, you can't do it. Or even if you use the picture, like the passport picture of the person image in a passport, it can't be, because you need the person to scan his or her face and blink the eyes before it is verified for you. So when you check here, you will see that mine is what is verified. Okay, you can use someone's passport, but that's what it comes with it. You can also use your own and if you don't have passport, please don't stress yourself. You can use someone to pay for you, like agent. I'll give you all the contacts of agent. Okay, and I've been doing indirect buying for the past, yeah, like that's what I've been using now, but I just got someone's passport and I use it. Okay, so this is how you verify your Alipay account. Now let me teach you guys something here. So with the verification, you go to accounts. Now you click on settings, you click on account and security. Okay, you click on identity information. Now you follow the procedures in verifying, and I will send all the screenshots that will appear and what you have to do. Good. Now this is how you can verify your Alipay account. But if you don't know how to get Alipay, then watch the video on the screen so that you know how you can create Alipay account so you verify it. I will see you in another video. Please do all to subscribe to the channel if you are someone about personal development, leveling up in your life, and about business tips, especially in mini importation that I do personally and I want to share with you for free as well. So you can join this channel to get all these tips for free. And I'll see you in the next video. Please do well to stay focused and love yourself. Bye.